Many people believe Islam started only 1,400 years ago, but that's a misunderstanding. What happened 1,400 years ago was the revelation of the Qur'an, not the beginning of Islam. Islam means complete submission to Allah, and that message began with the very first human, Prophet Adam, peace be upon him. Long before the Qur'an, humanity was never left without guidance. Allah sent prophets and scriptures gradually, teaching people according to their capacity. Think of it like building a structure. You don't place the roof first. The foundation is laid carefully. Then the walls are raised, and only then is the building completed. In the same way, humanity was guided over time, through Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses, and Jesus, peace be upon them all. When mankind reached the ability to understand, preserve, and reflect, Allah revealed the final message, the Qur'an, to complete and seal His guidance. Allah knew this nation would recognize the signs and carry the final foundations of truth. So Islam is not new. The Qur'an was revealed 1,400 years ago because humanity was ready for the final message.